There you are, a stunner, unlike any other. And we live on the coastline, on the edge of a dream life. Never been a runner, held back and held it under, waiting for the right time to bring it all into the light. Would you stay here?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up at J Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, look who I have with me today is
the one and only Megan Mullins.
Okay, she got the energy. Yes, it is Meg right here. We're going to do this nice pool shoot, which is right behind us. Now, Meg, how are you feeling about the shoot?
I'm ready to do it.
Oh, shit. All right, if you want to say anything else to the fine folks?
Stay tuned for the shoot.
All right. And of course, if you work with Meg, all stuff is going to be in that description box below. Of course, would have popped on the screen. Bye now.
Woohoo!
All right, so are you ready to get a shoot?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get the fucking shoot. I'm trying to figure out.
Like, I can get on the pool table too.
Okay, but I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do stylistically here. Is what I'm thinking about. Let's see, let's maybe have to boost this up a tad bit more. And I might have to do it this way, but I can't have too much of shadows, but it gives us more light. Nope. But it gives us a little bit more light. Oh, there we go. Exactly what I needed to do. Let's have you.
Stay on the pool table.
Let's have you here.
Stay.
Yeah, because you can kind of angle this way. I'm gonna shoot you here, so you can kind of.
Oh, the background.
Yeah. It's the goddamn background I don't like. I don't seem pool holly to me. This is my issue. Stay right there. Just stay right there. Just hold that pose like you was doing. Come a little closer. Right there. Yeah, now do it. Yeah, now do it. Yeah, perfect. Bring your hands in closer. Yeah, just like, oh, hold that pose right there. Yeah, perfect, man. That's really perfect. Yeah, perfect. You want to see him?
Yeah.
Ooh.
See, I like the pool table. Ooh, I like that lighting, that shadow light up.
I think like even like I'm just short, so like it just makes it difficult. Like being on the pool table.
Okay, we'll get on it. This ain't my place.
Okay.
Now lay on your side of it.
It's like
Yeah, across your legs.
over here.
Yeah, but just like that. Yeah.
Go the other way.
No, you're fine. Everything is fine. Just like that. Yeah.
Let me get coming off the pool table. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
you know, look, down low one. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yep.
me coming off the pool.
Yep. I know what you're talking about. Just give me a second. Oh, that hurt.
I'm dead. Hi.
Oh, that hurt. Whew, okay. Talk to the table right here.
Yeah.
Let's do it this way.
Here?
Yeah, the light's over here. Makes it easier.
position.
Oh, you want that? Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. Yeah. See, that makes it a whole lot better. I love that. Man, let's stay right there. Cross your hands. Right there.
Oh, those are hot. Those are probably like my favorites. That's insane.
All right, let's try. Let's see what we can do here. See, I might have to bring this light a little bit closer, but I don't need those shadows. Hang on here. All right. Oh yeah. Stay there. Ooh, shit. Oh.
Are you good?
Put in my mode. All right. No, I'm over. Hold that pose. Yeah, probably not. You're fine. Not worried about that. Yeah.
Oh, those are fire. Oh, those are insane. Yeah, this way is perfect.
Ooh, cooking with some heat now. Because I like this whole background better. That's what it was. See, I knew I should have went with my first instinct. I didn't like none of this back here. Yeah, see, it's just a lot better when it comes from this way.
Like lighting wise?
Well, just the background, it just adds depth. This didn't add too much depth. It was just like TVs and stuff. It just, see, this looks like we're in a pool hall when you have this in the back. This just looks, it looked bland. So I'm trying to go back and look. And I knew that in the beginning, but I still had you start off that way, but it's fine. Let me see. I'm trying to go back to the poses that we did at the very beginning so I can try to redo it from this positioning. Yeah, so let's redo all these.
Oh, perfect. Like on that side.
Yeah. Let's redo all these. Here, look at me. Just keep looking at me. That looks a lot better. Yeah, we're gonna do it this way. We're bouncing off this wall because it's bouncing your face a little bit better. Yeah, okay, come on. Yep, come close to me though. Right there. Yeah. I'm gonna get your whole body now. Yeah, like that, yeah. Yep. Bring those little arms a little bit closer to you. Yeah, now do it. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Yeah, perfect. Go to that second, right in front of the second pocket. Yeah. Let me see now. Because I want to kind of blur out some of that stuff in the back. And I'm gonna go a little lower. And then I'm gonna have to have you come in just a tad bit. Yeah. Okay, that's perfect. All right, now look right at me. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Fire. Yes.
Those are insane. Oh, that one's good.
Yeah, if you can get in your stance
Be perfect.
and really just stretch it out how you was doing it, because I kind of made you come in on that one.
It's okay.
So that was on me.
Sorry. That's true. It's okay. Here.
Yeah, the same thing. Do your stance there. Yeah, see, that's better. Yeah, see, that's better. Now stay there. Oh yeah, here it is. Come on, Stan. Stay right there. I'm gonna get just different angles now. I want you to still do your thing.
Oh, those are fire.
Yeah. Look at the ball. Yeah. Smell it. Yeah. Smell it. Yeah. Now look at me.
Those are fire. Those are insane.
It's a lot better, right?
Fuck yeah.
Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Meg and I just put in for you. Now, Meg, how did you enjoy the show shoot?
It was great. I got to play with pool table.
What's you going to say besides the pool table?
Balls.
As you made it so far, guys, I really hope y'all enjoy those photos, man. I think the photos came out excellent, man. We had a little bit of different lighting situations. That was more on me, and then different locations, because as you see in the beginning of this video, I was kind of shooting her with this TV behind, and it really wasn't giving enough depth in between the TV and her, so it just kind of looked really plain. But when I switched her around from this direction, which was majority of the photos that you're probably going to see, it was a lot more better because it gave out the depth. It just made a whole different situation and just kind of really made her pop in the photos, as well as the lighting, because you had little shadows and her just lit it up. It just made everything really, you see the photos already. So definitely let me know down in the comment below which one was your favorite photo, which direction did you like? Did you like this direction? Because I'll throw a couple in there, even though I do not like them at all. Did you like them at all, Miss Direction?
I really love this, like this way.
Oh, she really liked this way, so she's with me too. Yeah, I even said in the beginning, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put it in the beginning, like, I was like, I don't like this at all. Like in the beginning, I was like, I just don't like this background. Like I don't like it at all. But I'm glad we kind of went that direction and it changed everything else. So other than that, Megan, you want to say anything else to the folks?
Follow me on IG and blow him up.
Okay. You heard it. Of course, if you want to work with Meg, all the stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, what popped on the screen. Bye.
Yeah.
Was that a cat noise?
Yeah.
Okay. Until the next video, Meg.
Huh?
Until the next video.
What's that mean?
Until the next video. Until the next video. Until the next video. Until the next video.
Stay tuned.
Until the next video, guys. Peace.